forgot to tell you guys, when I bought this frame for the table numbers at the thrift store, they straight up asked me if I qualify for the senior discount. The senior discount.
You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time. Come a little closer. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby. Please don't walk away. I love you and I, yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I'm currently sitting on my floor. I have my rack of Poshmark clothes I'm selling, my tripods, my lighting all here. Ignore that. I just wanted to get this haul kind of done and over with so I can start putting some of this stuff away to clean out this film room of mine because it is a hot mess. As some of you may know, I'm getting married in October and I have done absolutely nothing in the way of decor or like kind of starting to like plan for that. I did make some like vision boards months and months and months ago, but I've done nothing in the way of like purchasing or DIYing anything. So the past few days, I should say, I really kicked it into high gear and I went thrifting. I am bound and determined to decorate the entire venue with thrift store finds. I'm also trying to pick pieces that I might actually use in my own home as home decor for after the wedding. So keep that in mind as well. Obviously I won't be able to do that for all of the pieces, but I want to be able to make use of like a good amount of the stuff that I purchased. So I will kind of do a little haul of stuff that I've gotten over the last couple of days from the thrift stores. If you guys are interested in seeing what I got, then just keep watching. So just to give you a quick little background, what I'm looking for my wedding, the venue speaks for itself pretty much. So I just need to decorate like the guest sign-in table, the gift table, and then all of the tables where everybody will be eating. So I don't know what we're doing in the way of florals quite yet. I don't really want like any like color. So if I do get flowers, it'll be more like white or ivory or like some sort of like tan, like nude kind of colors. I mostly just want like greenery on the tables. So I did order from Amazon actually. You guys might think I'm crazy right now. You might think I'm crazy, but I'm not going to, this plan for now at least. The plan for now is I'm not going to do real like live greenery. I'm going to get fake garlands that kind of look real-ish. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't care. I highly doubt people are coming to the wedding and saying, gosh, what a beautiful wedding, but did you see that fake garland on the tables? Ugh. They're not gonna do that. You know what I mean? So I got some. It'll be in an upcoming haul, but I just kind of wanted to focus on the stuff that I've gotten from the thrift store. There might be one or two things I got from Hobby Lobby, but for the most part, this is the thrift store. So I wanted to get some vases to hold flowers for the gift table and where people will be signing in. So I found two pretty nice vases. Look at these, look at these. These will be painted. I did get very like neutral color acrylic paint and a box of baking soda, and I'm gonna do the baking soda paint mixture, which will give it a really opaque, like textured, almost like the texture of like a terracotta pot kind of a look. So I just thought this one was super pretty, like the shape of it. I absolutely love that. That'll look really nice with some flowers in it. By the way, that was $3.99 and it was 20% off. And then I got this one, which was also $3.99, but This one was 25% off. So these are really nice. And like I said, I can use these in my house even after the wedding, especially like once they're all painted. So as far as vases go, I got a couple smaller ones. I got this one that has some nice texture on it. It was only 79 cents. And then I got this little green one. Once again, it was 79 cents. I think everything I got was either 20% off or 25% off. So keep that in mind when I tell you guys the prices. Super cute. It would even be cute to kind of like set them next to each other. I like playing with different heights, so I really like those. I also got this vase. It was $2.50. I thought it was super pretty, just kind of unique. This one I honestly wouldn't even really need to paint. I just don't like, I think this is supposed to be the front. Not a huge fan of that, so I would just place it to where the guests would just see this, if this is even something I plan on using at the wedding. This might be something I might style up on one of my shelves here at home. Last but not least, I got this little like jug thing that I thought might be kind of cute. This is, once again, would be painted with that baking soda acrylic paint mixture. This was $4.99. I actually didn't realize it was that much. But this is super cute, styled with like pampas grass coming out of it. I've seen some really cute stuff done with these type of jugs online. Then I got a variety of like little smaller glasses that I'll use to put little like tea lights or little mini like white votive candles. So I got this one that is kind of textured. This was 59 cents. I got this little guy, which was 80 cents. This one I thought was cool. I love that texture. These I'll probably keep clear, just the clear glass. And then I got these two clear glass ones. They already had like purple candles in them, but I'll burn all of the wax out so I can put my white ones. But these I thought were so pretty. I feel like this is something like my grandma would have, but like in the best way. I don't know, I thought they were really pretty. I don't even think I told you what I'm doing for the table. So I'm doing the fake greenery garland through the middle of the table. It's going to be a black tablecloth, greenery garland, and then different height little like candle jars and like the tall clear vases with floating candles in them. So it's pretty much just going to be different height candles inside of little glass jars with the greenery. And then I'm gonna have table numbers, obviously, and then for table numbers I'm doing frames, and they're all gonna be gold, but they're all gonna be different. So it's gonna be a whole mismatch. However many tables I have, we still don't quite know. It's all gonna be gold. So some of them I actually found were gold, and I'm trying to stick with like the 3x5 or like 4x6 size. So I found this frame, which was already gold, which I am so appreciative for. It was $2.79. I thought it was a little on the pricey side, but you know what? That's okay. I think this one's going to be really pretty. I absolutely love the detailing on that one. Then I got some just random smaller frames. These are all going to be spray painted gold. I already have the spray paint. I got it from Lowe's the other day. So just some basic frames. These were $1. And I don't know how much this one was, but they were all about $1, I would say. And then I got a wood frame. This one was $1.39. I actually got these from Hobby Lobby. It was a pack of 5 gold metal frames for $5.99. So I figured it was like $1.20 each. Why not? And I need frames for like the gift table as well, with pictures of Carlos and I, and then just like all around the venue. So I might use one of these for a table number, but I don't know yet. Really, everything is just an unknown. I'm just kind of starting to collect things for now. I also got these. It was a pack of 3 solid wood 5x7 frames. And they're wood. I don't know, like these are actually really nice quality. So I might even keep these for my house because I'm slowly starting to turn my house into like a boho type of vibe. So this was $6.99 for 3 frames, but they are, like I said, heavy duty and really nice. I got this frame for 98 cents. I really liked the detailing on this one. I wish it would focus. Come on, there we go. 98 cents. This will be another table number. This might even be a table number as well. I'm not sure. This was $149. Really pretty frame. And then this one is a little bit big to be a table number, but it was only 98 cents. And it's heavy duty and really nice. So I thought I could use that maybe for the gift table or somewhere else around the venue. For the gift table and sign-in table, not only am I going to need like little pictures of Carlos and I, but also I would like to put like signage in some of these frames. So like, you know, sign the guest book please, whatever it's gonna say. And I'm gonna whip up all of the signage and table numbers in Canva. So I'll be doing that myself as well, which will be in another video. Of course my battery is dying right now, so let me go change that and I will be right back to finish off this haul. You guys are not going to want to miss the rest of this because you won't believe what I found at the thrift store. Just you wait. I feel like I'm going to be so incredibly sick of frames by the end of this wedding, or like when the wedding is said and done, because the amount of frames I have is just ridiculous. But I got 2 more frames today. I got this silver one with the little like beaded looking detailing. This is going to be spray painted silver it's already silver, girl. It's gonna be spray painted gold. And then that was $149, and then I got this for $149 as well. Both of these were 20% off. This one is so pretty. I'm gonna leave it just the way it is. It's like a white, like kind of like an off-white, like vanilla color with gold detailing. This will be really nice for either signage or a picture of Carlos and I for one of the tables. One of the like, as the people walk in kind of tables. Then I found this basket, and I'm not sure if I want it to be Charlie's Flower Girl basket quite yet, because part of me thinks it looks a little too much like an Easter basket. However, I want to try to stain it a little bit of a darker wood color, and then I'm gonna add florals around it. So I feel like I can definitely do it up, and it's very sturdy, like heavy duty type of a basket, but we'll see. Everything I talk about, really, this is all like tentative plans, so we'll see. But this is the basket. Definitely has an Easter basket vibe, but picture it a little darker, maybe a lot darker, I'm not sure. And then florals everywhere, and you could even, I don't know, somehow put like something. I really have no idea, but I'm all about DIYing, especially when I'm trying to save, you know what I mean? Trying not to spend an arm and a leg. I saw a Flower Girl basket the other day on Etsy and it was $50 over my dead body. We're gonna make one just as cute. I think this was like $3. Cheers to that. All right, let's move on to the finds that I just could not believe that I found. They're perfection. And then I'm gonna show you just a couple things that I got from Hobby Lobby yesterday. So, the first thing, you guys, I nearly had a heart attack right in the middle of the thrift store. I mean, I snatched it up so quick I couldn't even believe my eyes when I saw it. I have been wanting one of those like sandwich, is that what they're called? Chalkboards to be able to cricket on that says like the wedding of Nicole and Carlos with the date, or Nicole and Carlos like with an arrow, or something that we can set outside of the venue so that way people know where to go. I'll be damned if they're over $100 on Etsy, but look what I found at the thrift store. Oh my god, that almost was like not good. Look what I found. This little detailing here just gets me. I freaking love it. It is not in necessarily the best shape in the world. It is sturdy, like it works, but it needs a good sanding and maybe a stain, like a lighter stain, or I could just spray paint it white. I'm not sure yet, but like, look at the detailing. Can you see it? Oh, this is the worst angle I've ever seen. And it opens up, okay? And it's gonna be so freaking cute outside of the venue. I ordered removable white vinyl that I will be putting on here so that way I'm not using chalk. I just like get real like OCD about handwriting that's perfect, so I'm gonna cricket it and figure out exactly like what I want it to say and then put it on here. That way I can use this chalkboard for future events in my life. I just think these are super cute, even like for future kids like birthday parties, like putting it outside the house like by the doorstep or something. So-and-so's first birthday, like come on in. I'm so cheesy, but you know what I mean. Like, I just couldn't believe it. This was $15.99, but it was 20% off. So could not beat it, especially since the ones I was looking at online were like $100. I'm bound and determined to break something, aren't I? Last item is another DIY. feel like I can't breathe. This frame, the picture gotta go, let's get real. But look at the frame. It's super pretty. It has like gold detailing. I am going to get, it's called Rub Buff, and I already ordered it on Amazon. And it's pretty much like a wax, like a metallic gold color that you use like a brush, like a makeup brush, and just like buff it on. And then, I don't know if you have to seal it. Actually, I didn't even look into that. I probably should. But it's gonna make this detailed frame pop. Like, it's gonna be super gold. So I am planning on using this. Obviously, we're taking the picture out. We're gonna use this for the table numbers so people know what table they're sitting at. I think I'm just gonna have something printed at like Office Depot or something. Like I'll mock something up on Canva and then send it over and have it printed over there. I'll pop up a picture actually on screen of kind of what I'm talking about. But I think this will be super pretty sitting on an easel with maybe some like florals or greenery up here at the top. There's something like sticky on here. It's like one of those like rubber feet, like those non-skid things. I'm not gonna peel it off right now, but I thought this was a deal. It was only $9, and some of the signs we were looking at online were upwards of $100, and I'm just not in the mood, you know what I mean, to pay that. Especially when I found this beauty for $9, and I love crafting and I love DIY stuff, so it was perfect. All right, last little things I'm gonna show you guys. I got these kind of as a joke. I wouldn't say it's a joke, but it's just like as a funny little thing. I found these at Hobby Lobby. There's a whole clearance section in the back. If you guys didn't know that, now you know. These are little teeny 2" by 2" boxes that say Tears of Joy. And I swear only one piece of Kleenex could fit in there. But like, are you serious? I am going to, there's 12 in a pack and I got 2 packs. I'm gonna put like a few pieces of Kleenex in these and like give them probably like to my girls, to my mom, to Carlos's mom, just as like a little funny thing. I don't know what I was thinking. They were only $1.24 each, so. Last items for this haul. I will be having lots more wedding hauls, by the way, and a lot of DIY projects coming up, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these. But these will be the last items for this haul, I do believe. When we ordered our save the dates and our wedding invitations, which we have not sent out the invitations yet because I need to make some like inserts that go in there with more information. But when I ordered them, we ordered them from Minted, and I love Minted, but like, ooh, that's a little pricey. The thank you cards were like outrageous. I can't remember exactly, but let's just say $200 for thank you cards. I'm not doing that. People read the thank you card and then instantly throw them away. I feel like most people do. So I just don't want to do that. I found these. They are the His and Hers collection thank you cards. 52 a pack for $2.49. So I got 2 packs of them. So everybody will be covered for thank you cards for a grand total of $5. You cannot beat it. This is the design. It still is kind of within theme, I guess. I don't know. Just the colors, pretty much. That's it. It's just like a nude color and then like an off-white. And it's like a lacy looking color, and it just says thank you, and then the inside is blank. So I thought these were perfect. Once again, everybody is covered for thank you cards for $5. You just can't beat it. If you guys are planning a wedding right now, are you guys thrifting? Are you guys buying decor yet? Like, what are you guys doing? Let me know down in the comments below. You guys, I love thrifting, and I honestly don't do it enough. So we're going tomorrow. We're gonna thrift a little bit more, and by we I mean me. I'm gonna thrift a little bit more, get some more wedding stuff. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas of other things I should get, leave them down below. I am planning on going to, I think, Home Depot or Lowe's or something and getting a piece of wood to make our welcome sign that will also be made with using the Cricut. I'm gonna do the permanent vinyl though for that. I just have all the video ideas and I cannot wait to start filming them. So if you guys have any questions or anything or any ideas for me, like I said, leave them down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!